Hi beautiful Noni nations, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY on how to brighten your armpits. Yes, I feel this video is very important because summer is very around the corner. In fact, it's almost summer, and I know we girls, or we chikalas, we like to rock our sleeveless hands, to just have that fresh hair and that tanning, and most times this armpit obstruct our view. Yeah, you can't swim and raise up your hands, you can't wear your tank top and raise up your hands, and most times raising up your hand is essential, right? So in this video I'm going to be doing a DIY on how to clear your dark armpits, guys. Hope you try this. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course give this video a thumbs up and share it as well. I also sent on my community, please you guys check my community tab. I sent there, I did a poll. Please, what video would you like me to bring up more? Do you want a DIY video teaching you guys how to do these things, or do you want a vlog more, or do you want YouTube tutorials? Okay, so thank you guys. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. So guys, basically you can see what I am using here. I'm using this spoon, of course, to take the measurement. This is a tablespoon. It's 15 ml. If you don't have a tablespoon, you can always measure a 15 ml size of whatever you're going to use. And basically in this video, size for me is not essential because I'm just showing you guys how to do these things, right? But if, for your sake, you might want to do something that you can use. And when mixing this, make sure it stays in the fridge for about not more than 5 days in the fridge. Not more than 5 days inside the fridge, of course, so it can still remain fresh. Yes. So we'll also be needing cinnamon. Yes, grinded cinnamon, preferably, because it's grinded already, right? So this is my bowl for mixing, and this is my spoon for, of course, measuring the lemon. This is lemon. Okay guys, this is lemon here. Okay guys, this is lemon here. This is a lemon juice. But if you have the regular lemon, you can always use that one as well and squeeze the water out. But I like this one because the water is already squeezed out for me, right? So I like this one. But if you have the regular orange lemon, you can also use it, peel it and bring out the water and use it. So let's dive into this video. So now I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of grinded sugar. This is grinded white sugar. You can also use what is it called, brown sugar, if you have one. So I'm just going to take a tablespoonful of this white sugar. I'm going to put it here. One tablespoon of grinded cinnamon. I'm going to put it here. And I'm gonna be taking, this is 50 ml. Yes, it's 50 ml size. That is half cup. I like the way this lemon bottle is. Yes, I like the way, and the expiration duration is very far from what you think. So I'm just gonna put it here. It depends on the consistency you want, guys. I want it to be a little bit thickened. Yes, that's the way I will want it. So I just put and mix and see the consistency. So guys, you have to really mix this. You have to really mix it. You can see the way it is now. Yes. So this is going to serve you like a scrub. So first of all, you're going to wet the area. You're going to wet your armpit first, and you take this and scrub. After scrubbing it for like 20 minutes, then you clean it off. Don't wash off. You clean it off with a clean towel, and that towel will be warm. Normal warm temperature. You clean it off with clean towel. You go back and rub the remaining orange juice on that area. Don't wash it off and carry it to bed. I would prefer you do this routine at night so that you can wear it on your armpit and sleep and wash it off in the morning. And please, before you start doing all these things, make sure that you're using a roll-on that has aloe vera, please stop using a roll-on that has chemicals on it. Check your ingredients. Make sure your roll-on is natural. It has aloe vera or cucumber or even lemon. Please stop using any kind of roll-on if you're the type that experience dark armpits. Okay guys, hope this video has taught you 1 or 2 things. Hope you will enjoy it and hope you try it. And please put on the comment section after you tried it, how was it, and also other remedies that you think that can help you whiten your dark armpits. You can put it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and do have a lovely and wonderful day. Bye.